FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Figma stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Especially now as I'm looking at Figma, well, the price is inside my supply zone. It went up 15%, which is kind of quite, I mean, we definitely cleared the lows out and made new lows, but now it's in a supply zone. Now, notice how I'm not going to immediately, I had a bearish idea and all that, but rules never got met and we're just still in the supply zone. And there's two ways that I can go about this. Because it's still in a supply zone, we can still go with the sell side, but that's only really going to matter if I actually see this double break shift, right, like this. And if I do not see that, then I'm not going to be selling anything, to be very honest with you. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules to be met. By the way, I also have like a lot of few receipts with Figma in my Discord with 4 results, so there's really not lack of coverage on Figma. And what happens if rules are not met and it starts picking up? Well, that's why I will keep you updated. And pre-market is crucial. It's a bit lower, but now this is being made at 6 a.m. right, Eastern time. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.